talaga, hindi ko talaga in-expect na abot kami dito. Abot ako dito and sobrang daming tao, ang daming fans, ang daming sigaw, and I really miss the outside world. Na-miss ko, I saw my mom, I saw my family, I saw everyone. Yung handler ko, yung manager ko, sobrang na-miss ko po talaga sila. Kaya overwhelmed pa ako ngayon. Hindi ko alam anong sasabihin, pero sobrang grateful ako na umabot ako dito at nandito sila para ipakita yung pagmamahal at supportan nila. Sobrang thankful po ako na naniwala sila sa pangarap namin ni River. At they were there for River and I all the way.
Grabe itong big night. This is the dream and it still feels like a dream. I'm so happy na we were able to experience this and share this stage with the other duos. We're so happy now we reached this point and we got to see our family, our friends, all the supporters. Until now, sobrang overwhelmed pa rin ako, but I'm just so happy with how everything went. Kaya maraming salamat.
Ako, I'm so happy even being part of the Big Four. Sobrang saya na ako, sobrang grateful na talaga ako. And oh my God, nung natawag kami, gusto ko lang sumigaw, tumakbo dito sa labas kasi grabe, sobrang excited na talaga ako makita ko ano nangyayari dito sa labas, sa stage, makita yung mga tao. So sobrang happy na talaga ako, sobrang grateful and contented na po ako that I reached this night, Big Four, and everything that comes with it. Thank you po talaga.
Ako super honored and grateful na kami po ang fourth big placer. Ever since we were Big Four, I was already super happy. Lagi ko sinasabi na winners na kami. At lahat ng duos na kasama namin, winners na rin sila. Kaya any place that we got tonight, winners pa rin kami. So even if it's fourth place, I am so happy na we even got to share and be on this stage tonight.
Thank you po talaga for everyone who came and supported us, for all the banners and yung LED signs. Pangarap po namin yun ni River, pinag-uusapan namin yun since first weeks na sana may makita kaming LED signs pagkatapos dito, and we saw them and sobrang grateful talaga kami hearing the cheers, hearing the shouts and everything. Thank you po talaga. Thank you for supporting us throughout our whole journey. Thank you for believing in us, and we really can't wait to meet you soon. Narinig ko may fan con this coming August, so I'm gonna see you all there. Thank you po talaga. Thank you po talaga.
Ayun, sa mga supporters, sa mga fans, maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Grabe, it was so nice to see all of you here tonight. I can't wait to meet each and every one of you. And I hope throughout me and Daisy's journey, sana na-inspire kayo, sana may natuto kayo. And hopefully, this is just the start. Hopefully, there's more to come in the future. Kaya maraming salamat.
Love you guys!